is there anything fundamentally that would make you nervous about these big extended moves? Because in crypto, if crypto is good at anything, it's good at making big, beautiful extended moves and then pulling back to and through the dirt. And so I see this. I want to say, you know what? There's strength in this pullback. There's strength in the upside. You have to buy it. But crypto does a great job at hopping off a cliff. What'd you bring up here, my friend? This Bitcoin exchange liquidation map.
All right, yeah. So this is interesting because it's like I'm only looking at this for the first time today. But essentially, I think you're pretty familiar with this. I think I illustrated this to you guys maybe the other week. But essentially, this tool on CoinGlass.com it plots basically like the liquidation points for longs and shorts. Now, what I'm looking at here. So basically, on the left, you'll find the cumulative long liquidation leverage across the leveraged futures exchanges like Binance, OKX, Bybit. So this is referring to just the the futures markets, not the spot markets, obviously, because we're not trading futures on spot. But what I'm seeing here, it is a bit concerning because we're much closer to the max pain point for long positions rather than short positions. So at the current price of 52,000, just call it 52,000 flat. I mean, if price starts to go down from here and we get a substantial pullback, like even if price pulls back to like $300, we're looking at over 350 million in longs being liquidated, which is a bit concerning because, yeah, honestly, that's only like a $300 move, and all these longs are going to start getting liquidated, which is probably going to cause price to continue to fall. So this is a bit concerning. And if we go to like 51,000, the cumulative long liquidation is over $1 billion. That's insane. So I think now that I look at it, maybe now that I'm looking at this, because it's like more fundamental data. This isn't like, we aren't looking at technical indicators. This is actual, I guess, on-chain data that shows how much, how much longs or shorts could potentially be liquidated if price goes to a certain point. So this is a bit concerning. Now, on the other hand, if we can avoid penetrating these longs and we can actually start moving up, some shorts will be liquidated. So if we get up to let's see what happens if we get to 53 million. So cumulative, it'll be like 777 million. But you can see
That's solid, but
the market's a bit more stacked towards the long side here. So I would like to see. So if anything, it's probably more likely that we would see a long squeeze rather than like a short squeeze here. But we'll see what happens.
You hear that?
Yeah. I'll pay attention to this. I'll probably set some alerts if we get down to like 50, 51, even like 51,800. That's gonna trigger my alerts off. And I'll probably I'm gonna try to be in front of the screen when the futures markets open up, because I imagine there's going to be a lot of volatility later. So if we do start to penetrate this zone, I'd probably want to maybe get some short exposure potentially.